Well, I was riding number 9, heading south from Carolina. I heard the lonesome whistle blow. I got in trouble, had to roam. Left my gal, left my home. I heard the lonesome whistle blow. Just a kid acting smart, I went and broke my darling's heart. I guess I was too young to know. They took me off the Georgia main, locked me to a ball and chain. I heard the lonesome whistle blow. All alone I bear the shame, I'm a number 9 name. I heard the lonesome whistle blow. All I do is sit and cry when that evening train goes by. I heard the lonesome whistle blow. Oh, I'll be locked here in the cell till my body's just a shell and my hair turns whiter than snow. I'll never see the gal of mine, 'cause I'm in Georgia doing time. I heard the lonesome whistle blow. I heard the lonesome whistle blow.